In this video, I'm going to show you how I sketched this using a Croquis sketching technique. I love this guy sitting typing on his laptop, just chilling, leaning against a tree, and the bike had some extra interest. Although I'm not sure how I'm going to sketch that yet, so let's see how that turns out. I'll add some tips and thoughts as I go. So there's the final sketch. It took about 30 minutes in real time, and I love the feel of the quick strokes in this one. I'm interested in your thoughts though about the ink wash and the pencil, if it's worth adding. Let me know in the comments. The bike turned out well, being very simple and dark. If you're interested in sketching this reference, you can join me on Patreon for the real-time version. My supporters have been sending me their completed work for me to comment on, which has been really awesome. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.